So the first exercise is to build AM. First finger on the second string, first fret, second finger on the fourth string, so you skip the third and go to the fourth, second fret, and the third finger right below it on the string that was open on the second fret. So you have AM, and you play from the fifth string. Make sure you don't mute it. So let's do AM 10 times. Take away. First finger on the second string, first fret, skip one string, fourth string, and third string. One, take away everything, and then second string, first fret, skip, put the two fingers, third time, take away, put on the second fret, and the two, try to place them together on the second fret, take everything away, put back on the second string, first fret, you skip one string and place your second and third finger. Got to take away, go back to the second, and those two, you know, they go up, so whoop. Now you know that these two fingers, they go together, so you can even try to put them together. Second string, first fret, and then these two fingers, they go together on the other strings. Take away. Go to the second string, first fret, and then these two fingers go together on the other strings. Last count must be the sixth time. Take away. You can even try to put the two fingers first and then place the other finger. I can try to put these two fingers on the fourth and third string and then the other. But on the way you feel more comfortable. First fret, second string, and then here I'm putting the third finger after, and then the second finger. You see, so I can change what finger goes first. I can put the first one, the third finger on the next string, and then the second on the top. And then in the end, the goal is to put them all together. So have kind of this shape. So you put one and the other two together. At the same time, you know. But we're going to get there. First we just put one and one and one. Or we can change the order. Try to put these two. And then this, and then one day they will come at the same time. You have to do this at least 20 times until you are able to do it automatically. And very slow. I'm doing a bit faster. So don't skip this repetition. Don't be afraid to take away your fingers, or even if sometimes sound like this, it's okay, because you're just learning the shape. So, second string, first fret, and then the other two, and the second fret.